How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text in FreeCAD. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to be inside the part option or the part design option. And basically from here, you then want to right click on the object where you want to place the text. And then you want to navigate through the draft option. Now from here, just click on the specific function, which is going to be shaped from text. And then of course you can customize your text the way you want to. Now to make things easier, I'll just say something like example. In here, you have to select your font file. So I'm going to be using this font file right here. And then you want to click on the place where you want to insert your text. So in my case, it's going to be right here. Click on OK, and that will basically appear on our plate. Now, if it's messed up something like this, what you can do is to simply navigate through models, right click on the shape string, and then you want to click on transform. And here you can transform this to anywhere you want to. So maybe let's go ahead and put it this way. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.